We are offering you Qualcert Level 3 Award in Safety, Health, and Environment for Construction Workers. This essential course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to ensure a safe and healthy work environment on construction sites. Our course will delve into emergency procedures, including how to respond effectively to incidents and accidents. You will gain practical insights into creating and implementing effective safety plans, conducting safety inspections, and fostering a culture of safety on site. By the end of this award program, you will have a thorough understanding of safety, health, and environmental practices in the construction industry and be well prepared to contribute to a safer work environment. Mandatory units of this qualification are: Introduction to Construction Safety, Health, and Environment, Risk Assessment and Hazard Identification, Personal Protective Equipment and Safety Procedures, Occupational Health and Well-being, Environmental Management in Construction, Construction Site Safety Management, Emergency Preparedness and Response, Communication and Stakeholder Engagement. This course is ideal for construction workers, construction managers and supervisors, health and safety officers, occupational health professionals, safety consultants and advisors, students and graduates, government inspectors and regulators, construction industry stakeholders. What is the duration of this course? The Qualcert Level 3 Award in Safety, Health, and Environment for Construction Workers typically takes about 3 to 5 days to complete. All Qualcert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest Qualcert approved center. Visit our website at www.qualcerts.co.uk for more qualifications and information.